had in the academic improvement plan, they remain as they are. Colleagues, curriculum, delivery and management, provisioning of critical resources, teacher development, as well as learner support. It basically all what we have actually presented as different chief directorates. Then the basic functionality, leadership, management, and governance and relationship, stakeholder participation. So we are now this year going to strengthen the academic improvement plan by looking at how are we going to use the PLCs. I think most of the people that actually presented, they spoke to the issues of PLCs, and this is exactly what we have put in our academic improvement plan, as to strengthen the PLCs. And we are saying this year the PLCs, if they can be circuit-based, so that we can be able to work effectively with them. The subject advisors in district, they will also work with the circuit management. Alagafe, we spoke to this program, and it's continuing. Mr. Khumalo also spoke to it, as well as Mr. Manganyi. We are continuing with this program to strengthen our academic improvement plan. This is the rollout plan. Today, we are actually on this slide today. You can see on the 18th, there are 11. Yesterday, they were in Richards Bay. So we are actually started to roll out the program. From here, it will be districts rolling out the program. I'm not going to talk much about the T60 schools. Mr. Khumalo spoke at length about it, but it's part of the program that is strengthening our academic improvement plan. These things have been outlined, but also we are strengthening the implementation of Circular number 1 of 2024 in terms of curriculum. Mr. Khumalo also spoke about accountability sessions, but we are saying not only in T60 schools, we are saying let all schools in the province have these sessions. I think in that circular, there is even an agenda that is addressing all the principals to say, when you sit in this meeting, these are the things that you need to discuss. As they discuss that, then the content of the subject will then come in, the learner performance will come in, the gaps will then come in, so that how best we can assist each other. So we look at how the subject improvement plans are being formulated by the teachers in schools. Then we'll have these meetings, and we'll have to monitor the implementation in our schools based on those standardized agendas that